You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly if you want to learn how to pronounce more brand names, including car names in particular. Make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Chinese manufacturer by Cherry. Jetour is how it's pronounced, so it's kind of like jet and tour combined. Jetour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.